Imagine this. You open ChatGPT, start chatting, and suddenly your crypto wallet appears right in the conversation. Nakamon pops in with sparkly eyes because this is now real, and it could change how millions interact with Web3. Here is what happened. Vly Wallet is officially integrated inside the ChatGPT App Store. It is one of the first wallets made specifically for AI assistants like ChatGPT and Claude. Users can install the Vly Wallet GPT, link their wallet through a simple login flow, and then ask ChatGPT to check balances, read on-chain data, or run helpful workflows. Nakamon thinks it is incredibly cute for something so powerful. This matters because it is not a blockchain upgrade. It is a user experience shift. Your AI assistant becomes a front end for wallet functions. Instead of opening apps, you just talk. High-risk actions like sending funds still need extra confirmation, and Nakamon gently reminds everyone to be careful. Behind the scenes, Vly uses ChatGPT's Actions framework. ChatGPT sends secure commands to Vly's servers, and Vly performs the blockchain calls. Your keys stay with Vly, not ChatGPT. Developers can even build custom flows that mix Web3 and Web 2, like checking a wallet balance, pinging a DEX, pulling Stripe data, and returning everything in one tidy answer. The market is paying attention because financial services are moving into AI chat interfaces. PayPal is working on similar integrations. If AI becomes the main interface for payments, and DeFi, protocols that work well with AI could gain huge visibility. For crypto communities, onboarding becomes easier. Beginners can chat their way through wallet tasks. AI front ends become more important than traditional dApps. Security will split users into convenience seekers and sovereignty lovers. And Nakamon sees early signs of future AI agents running automated tasks for portfolios or DAOs. Nakamon gives a happy wave. BTCC will keep bringing you clear market updates every day. Hit subscribe so you do not miss tomorrow's session, and search BTCC now for our latest campaign.